So number one, we have Gajanan Vadapav. It's the most iconic place to have Vadapav in Thane. This place always attracts a large amount of crowd from morning to night, and always fresh food is being prepared over here. Every Thanekar knows about this place. So the vada pav here is served with a very quirky looking yellow vibrant colored chutney, which is basically made from gram flour, and they also serve thesa with it, which is just a green chili paste. The vada pav is no doubt absolutely delicious. And that's one happy vendor. Next up is Shri Snacks, which is in Gokhale Road area in Thane. They serve a variety of items like samosas and vadas and sambar, idli and much more. It's basically a South Indian food joint. The vada pav here is served with a white coconut chutney and a red powdered chutney, which is basically fried crumbs or remains of the vada, which is mixed with red chili powder and salts. This one is perfectly flavored, and along with it they are quite famous for serving the lemon juice in that cute little bottle. The perfect combo to have a quick snack in the summers. Next up is this really popular place in Thane, Kunja Vihar, which is famous for its jumbo vada pav. It's very near to Thane station and it's always absolutely crowded. Here they have two kinds of vada pav. There is a jumbo vada pav and they also have an option of junior vada pav when you are not that hungry. It's a very happening place, and there are also a lot of chutneys available that are kept for people to use on their own. The vada pav is served with some fried green chili. Both the spicy green and the sweet red chutney add a lot of flavor to the vada pav, and it's all worth it. Next up is this place called Krishna Sweets. It's a newly opened one. This place is also very near to Thane station, especially platform number 1. The vada pav here is again served with some green chili chutney and a red sweet chutney. The sweet and tangy imli chutney make the vada pav taste even more amazing, and personally I cannot have my vada pav or samosas without an imli chutney. This place is crowded as well, and it serves a wide variety of sweets and snacks, and it's always filled with delicious aroma of these yummy snacks like American rolls, American rollers, Chinese samosas, vadas, sabudana vadas and kothambir vadis and lots of other stuff. Lastly, we have Jumbo King. Jumbo King is not exactly serving vada pav, but whatever they serve is inspired from a vada pav. It is served like a burger. Instead of pav, there is this burger bun, and usually we have this red spicy chutney in vada pav, and that one is smothered all over the bun in this case. And the tikki is exactly made from same ingredients that make a vada pav, but only the texture and the surface of it is grainy and different. The whole dish is very spicy and namkeen and will definitely satiate your taste buds. And finally we ended our meal having some fresh sugarcane juice.
Hi guys, so that's it for today.
And we are ending the vlog here, and guess what? We are having a friend, Mr. Rishikesh.
Hi. Guys, these guys are taking lots of efforts for making beautiful vlogs. So they are exploring various places across the Mumbai, delicious places. So please like and subscribe their channel and also press the bell icon.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thanks.
Bye.